Hey you guys, and welcome to the vlog. Since I'm back in New York, obviously I had to show this one Letchworth, so that's where we're going. But instead of just doing a normal walk around Letchworth like I've done every time for the past 10 years, we're gonna try and find the tunnels. And I'm scared, but I'm doing it for the vlog, so let's go. Okay, so we're gonna look at a few other buildings first before we find the tunnels, just ones that I didn't have in my last vlog. No. I'll walk through. See all that lead and asbestos? That's why we have masks for the other one. Yeah. So these are dormitories. Sick. All right, let's get out of here. Too much lead and asbestos. Really cool. Could never go down those stairs. Now we're gonna try and find this tunnel. God. Okay, but before that, we gotta show Dylan the roof. These things are filled with water, so that's probably why the birds are there. Birds keep freaking me out. Watch out for the giant hole in the floor. But this is always so cool. Yeah. It's a long way down, my friends. I do wonder what that's for. What would that be for? People just throw things down here. Good thing it's not themselves, because you're never getting out if you fell down there. Get done, son. I was whispering because I thought there was somebody in here, but it's just a bunch of pigeons. I wanted to show him the new medical building too, or the old medical building, but there's cops sitting outside with a drone, so that's a little weird. I don't trust the ceiling because it always sits in water, but it's still a really cool view. Also, we forgot the masks. Yeah, it is this way. We can't stay in here long. I'm scared. At what point am I gonna chicken out? Hell no. Nope, I'm out. I don't know what's on the ceiling. I don't want to go that way. What is that? Looks like blood. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. There's another door over here. I don't believe you. It's blood. It's like a freezer door. Damn, the older I got, the more afraid I got. Oh, I'm scared. You go. Take the camera with you.
Is it on?
Yes. Okay, I can't breathe. I gotta go.
Yeah, starting to get a little headache.
Yeah, we gotta go. I'm confused though. Because I thought at some point there was like the entrance to the tunnels down here. And is it just farther down there?
Possibly.
Every time I come here, I can't go any further again. I get so scared. Okay. Well, we attempted and we still, this is intense for me. More air, more air. Okay, you guys, I chickened out. I'm sorry, I couldn't do it. This was still really cool, getting to see this Powerhouse again and filming it with the GoPro. It's definitely an interesting place, but it's been getting a lot worse over the years, so please bring a mask if you are coming to visit this place. But thank you for joining us today at Letchworth Village, and we got something really cool for next week, so stay tuned, and I will catch y'all then.